everyday carry needs to be something you're comfortable with, but it also needs something that you can really rely on. Just like this Zero Tolerance 566. It's sturdy. I mean, it's built like a tank. It'll go forever. And having those kind of tools at your disposal gives you a lot of confidence. Here we have an Olight S10 baton. Fantastic light system. It's small, handy, it'll get the job done. The Glock is no different, and obviously the Glock's built a reputation that it's just the AK-47 of the handgun world. It'll go through about anything and just keep on functioning. You pull the trigger, it fires. And because of that popularity, there are a lot of people that carry the Glock, whether it's the 19, which is Glock's #1 selling pistol, or like I do, I carry the 26. And of course that's in 9mm. And then you have your 40 versions, your 357 SIG, your 45 gap, and all the different models that Glock makes. So Glock has become a very popular handgun in the concealed carry world. Now, with that being said, even though they call it Glock Perfection, there are things that can be done to improve anything. And the Glock is no exception. So here we have a Glock, and this is from Wheaton Arms. It's a Glock 19. It's a Wheaton Arms Carolina concealment package. Now, many of you know, and many of you have had things done by Robbie from my recommendation, because he tells me. And a lot of guys, when I'm in the shop, come in that watch the videos that have gotten started just because of this channel. So I take that very seriously. And I'm going to tell you, for one thing, Robbie Wheaton is a master gunsmith. Just incredible. He is extremely knowledgeable about firearms. Phil, who works there with him, those guys are just masters at what they do. And I like to go in a lot of times and just watch these guys at work, because they really know what they're doing. And they put a lot of heart into it. And they know that whatever you're getting ready to buy, either you're shooting it with competition, home defense, or really, even more importantly, concealed carry. Because that's when you're out in the world and you need something you can really depend on. And with that being said, you need to stay safe, and we're going to be safe. The gun is empty. Now, the Carolina Carry Package comes in a lot of different things. And this is just one of the versions. In fact, this is actually Robbie's wife, Beth's. This is her personal carry pistol. And so then you have some red and you have some colors. That's not my personal taste, but I've seen some really wild colors from a lot of guys that just like to upgrade their pistol, like things a little different. And so this is a Glock 19. It has a gray metallic Cerakote finish on the slide. Then it has the regular black frame, and then Cerakoting around the areas that have been stippled. And we're going to look at some of the different features of this carry package and the advantages. You really need the best when you're carrying something for self-defense. Now, first and foremost, you're going to notice is the slide cuts. And this is to relieve some of the weight of the slide itself. And here we have cuts all the way across the front, and then here at the back we have relief cuts. Also, the slide itself at the front has been cut and trimmed down. Now, this not only relieves weight, but it also gives you a cocking shelf right here to be able to push the slide forward without any snagability right here. And so then we have the regular serrations on the back of the slide that make it really easy to cock. The cuts in the slide to reduce the weight, and also here on the sides. With the way that the recoil spring is fine-tuned, it really allows for great control. It just really feels good in the hand. It's not so snappy. It has a really excellent level shootability to it. It just stays on target. The slide itself has had a lot of treatments done to it, and because of that, the barrel is fitted into the frame. It is, though, the standard factory barrel, and any kind of imperfections have been taken care of. Now, it does have a fiber optic sight, orange here at the front, and then you have green 2 dots here at the back with a very low snag design. And really, with those fiber optic sights, it's hard to miss. Now, you can also get black serrated sights in place of these if that's what you want. And of course, you can get and adapt to anything. This is just to give you a good guide for what you can have done. The frame has been stippled, and it's a Treebark stippling is what they call it. It's it's aggressive in some ways, but it's not harsh. So when you're gripping it, it's not like you're grabbing a porcupine, but yet it does give you a lot of texture. Also, a lot of the finger grooves have been relieved somewhat. And to be honest, I really like that. I don't really care for where the grips are. It rounds it off. It makes it a little more comfortable, and it's consistent. the Treebark is all the way around, so it keeps it consistent. You have the same feel all the way. Also, you have index pads here and here. That's to remind you to keep your finger out of the trigger and put it right here. Then when you're pushing your thumbs forward, you can also use this with your weak hand. With the way this is cut and even with the reduction on the back, it really fits nice in the hand. Working down those finger grooves, improving the back strap, giving you a little more texture across, really allows for better ergonomics with the pistol. You're able to hold on to it easier. It gives you more confidence in your hand. Now, with all the relief cuts that are done on the slide, of course, the Cerakoting really comes in and protects the finish. You know, Glock for years used Tenifer. They're using something that's very similar to Tenifer now, but that just soaks into the metal. And I'll tell you guys, knowing what Robbie and the guys up there at Wheaton Arms go through, it is tough to cut through this slide. No tooling marks. Everything is very smooth and very well done. Now your trigger guard also has been relieved, and here we get a very high relief. And you may ask, why would you want to do that? But when you grab a Glock, when it comes up, it actually allows your hand to ride even higher to get a better bore axis to your hand, and allows the slide to ride that much lower. So this is a really good place to cut. In fact, I know Hickok, he always cuts his back here. I cut mine back there. And so that's a great way to do it. Now, one thing about cutting it is it can change your grip angle. And so when shooting with two hands, undercutting right here at the bottom of the trigger guard actually gives you almost a seesaw effect where this changes, and then when you come here, it changes again. So this gets you back to your natural point of aim if you're used to shooting Glock pistols. Now we're going to take a look at the inside. Let's see. Now, one of the things in the package is a custom trigger job, and it's a custom carry trigger. So it's not a hair trigger, but it's really smooth, and all the right areas have been polished and taken care of, and all the contact points. One of the things I've seen, especially here on YouTube, is some people will take these parts and pull them out and just start polishing everything. That can cause accidental discharges. It can also cause your pistol to go into full auto mode and tear up your gun. So having someone that knows what they're doing is really important when it comes to doing any kind of trigger work. And so Robbie has done a number of triggers for me, and it's really a beautiful thing because the Glock trigger can be very mushy. And it's one of the things about having a really good Glock trigger is it's real crisp. You have your take up, and then you have a nice snap, and it ends right there. It doesn't bounce. And I think that's one of the things about the Glock that's kind of strange. It kind of pulls and then bounces. This has a really nice reset, and then again, we're going to look at the trigger, down, nice clean break. The more that I shoot, the more I understand the importance of a really good trigger. Very consistent, very smooth. It just really aids in accuracy. Now, one of the things that he also does that is not done on this pistol particularly is he adds a stainless steel guide rod, and he fine-tunes the recoil spring to match the weight of the slide. And so this allows for the gun to shoot very soft without all the excessive recoil. Not that Glock 19s are excessive with recoil, but it does bring it down somewhat, and it makes it really nice. Can't help but see the front sight on this one. Now, it can take any model of Glock. You can take any different color of Cerakote. In fact, I'm getting ready to have one done. It's probably going to be in the burnt bronze. Obviously, I'm not going to go with the red just because that's not my style. But if you're doing competitive shooting and you want to carry a nice pistol and have a nice finish on it, you know, sometimes identifying your gun for your personal taste, you know, is really cool because you can really just have a gun that's separate. You know, Glocks are Glocks, and you see them over and over. There are millions out on the market. And just having your personal touch to one really identifies the gun to you. This can be done on any generation Glock, and it can also be done with any model Glock. So if you want to carry a Model 20 in 10mm and you want to have this done, you can do that. If you want it done on a 26, the subcompact, you can also do that. The only thing about the subcompacts is the recoil spring system is going to be the same. So with this, with the stainless steel guide rod and the fine-tuned recoil spring, it does add a lot of shootability to this pistol. Now the price for the Carolina Carry Package is $8.99, and that is the retail price. But Robbie's getting this whole program started, and so we talked about it, and he's going to mark it down for the Suits viewers. If you're a Suits viewer and you want this package done, he'll do it for $550. And that is a fantastic price. Now, that does not include the pistol. You send your pistol in, or he can provide a pistol for you. Robbie is on the Glock dealer program, so he can get you a good price on the Glock. And then, of course, $550 when you mention Suits, whether you call, get on their website, whatever you do. And so that is a fantastic price to be able to order direct. That's like going direct to the manufacturer. And that's really what it's about. So Robbie's just going to have this as a limited time. So check out WheatonArms.com for their Carolina Carry Package and get a fantastic deal. Now, to give you an idea of some of the competitors and what you can expect to get for a lot of your places that are doing Glock upgrades, this is a really nice Glock upgrade. It's an M6 Predator, and there are certain things that are done to it. Nothing really done to the frame itself, but the slide has some nice cuts, and the trigger. And this runs, for this package, $1,299. Now, that includes the pistol, but you're getting less work done than you are on the Carolina Carry Package, and you're paying $300 to $400 more. So you're getting a great deal from the Wheaton Arms facility. Plus, you can call Wheaton Arms direct if you have any kind of issues, any kind of problems, and they can answer your questions and they can fix it. It's like going straight to the source. A lot of people have a love-hate relationship with the Glock. They love the reliability, the accuracy, and the dependability of the pistol because it's a proven system. But some people think that it's really ugly. And to me, a Glock is so thin, smooth, sleek. I just love these pistols. And so I guess beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Any gun with all those features is a beautiful thing. Robbie's a really good friend of mine. He's a national 3-gun competitor, incredible shooter. I've learned personally a lot from Robbie. Not only that, but also in the shop, seeing a lot of things being done and a lot of his wisdom. So I'm telling you that Robbie knows what he's doing, and so he can really outfit a fantastic system for you. And so when you carry, instead of carrying just a stock gun that you bought at a gun shop, along with millions of others, you can buy something that's a cut above and that you can really rely and stake your life on. So check out WheatonArms.com for all the details on the Carolina Carry Package. It's a great way to improve your already excellent Glock system. Really makes it more reliable, and it gives you a real edge if you're carrying this pistol. So guys, if you carry every day and you ever have to pull this pistol out, it's life or death. So carry the best. Now personally, I'm not a big fan of the red, but it does go nice with this box of HPR. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic. It's just a great way to improve your you gotta be kidding, Carolina concealment package with Suits. So you can see the greens on the front. You have a fiber optic orange at the front.
I'm glad I shot
this after shooting. I mean, yeah, because I would have been like,